So during pregnancy, we want to avoid any foods that can lead to a potential risk of the developing fetus. So for example, that would be like high mercury fish. So these are going to be our large fishes like shark, king mackerel, and marlin. And that's because they have higher levels of mercury, and this can build up in the baby's brain or the nervous system and potentially lead to brain damage. We also want to avoid any foods that can potentially lead to a foodborne illness. So these are going to be foods that have bacteria. So like our raw undercooked meats, our unpasteurized dairy products, our soft cheeses such as like brie or feta, deli meat or hot dog as well. So we want to make sure we are properly cooking all these foods to the correct internal temperature, or just completely avoiding them if we're most comfortable with that. We also want to make sure we're properly washing all of our produce, practicing safe hand hygiene when we're preparing our food. We also want to make sure that we are completely avoiding alcohol, staying less than 200 milligrams per day of caffeine, and trying to limit our intake of artificial sweeteners to less than 2 servings per day. If in doubt, always just ask your healthcare provider or a dietitian.